Hey guys, welcome back to Harvest Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we're racing a 2019 Audi S3 against a Ford F150 Lightning. If you guys didn't believe that it's an electric car, well, here's the proof. There's nothing in the front compartment of the vehicle because it's fully electric. This car makes about 560 horsepower, close to 700 pound-feet of torque, and the Audi makes about 299 horsepower and about 258 pound-feet of torque. So you guys let me know in the comment section before the race starts who's gonna take this, the beautiful 2019 Audi S3 or the Ford F150, the past versus the future. So this is John, the owner of this beautiful Ford F150 Lightning. We're gonna ask him a few questions. So John, who do you think is gonna take this?
Sorry.
Who do you think is gonna win between the Audi S3 and your Lightning? I mean, this one, the specs are 299 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, and it's stock, but all-wheel drive.
I don't know, it'll be close. I think I got a shot. Yeah.
Okay. And then what's the fastest time you've ever run?
8.081.
8.1?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Olivia, the owner of this beautiful Audi S3. So can you confirm to us that your car is stock?
My car is stock.
It's really stock?
Yes.
Okay. So this is your first time racing against an electric car?
Yep.
Who do you think is gonna win?
It'll be close, but depending on how I launch it, it's probably me.
I'm gonna remind you the spec of this car: 560 horsepower, 700 pound-feet of torque.
It'll be close. It'll be close. It does scare me, but it'll be close.
But she's got a great car. Okay, you say so. And here's the electric Ford Lightning F-150 against the all-wheel Audi. Let's see.
that was an awesome race. The Audi did a great job launching, but the F-150 came passing. Do you have the time slip? You have the time slip? Let me see.
This close.
This close. Yeah, she took up first. Like she got the edge, but I think the electric just came. Yeah.
She's got that linear power.
Yeah, exactly.
No turbo to worry about.
Yeah.
No excuses. So,
Wow, that was very close. 8283.
I know.
8683. That's wow.
I would almost consider that a tie, man.
Yeah, that was very close.
That's a good
That was very close. Well, congratulations, Olivia. Congratulations.